We're currently entering Universal Studios, almost. And it's just gonna be me and Max again. Guys, just dropping us off.
Because you guys are little kids.
Welcome everyone, and watch on to see our adventures in Universal Studios Hollywood.
We're currently inside our park, and we're gonna head to Super Nintendo World, right, Max? Yep. Because it's gonna get packed.
We made our way to the lower lot, going through many escalators.
We're currently walking inside.
We got power bands that let us unlock more features in this area. We first went to the Mario Kart ride. We wanted to take advantage of the short morning lineups. When visiting, I recommend doing the popular rides first.
Ready, Max? Nice try one. Max, you ready? Yeah. We're almost there. Bye, Max.
We got our headsets strapped on and waited for our turn.
You gonna tap it, Max?
We buzzed our bands in so we can collect points known as coins throughout the ride. They can be tracked through the Universal Studios app.
Ready, Max?
After the ride, we collected more coins and then made our way out.
We're gonna go to the Jurassic World ride. Max, how long have you been waiting to go to this ride?
7 years.
7 years. You excited?
Yep.
The lines for this ride were fairly long. Luckily, there was shade in the area for us to wait in.
Ready, Max? We're gonna go inside the mummy ride now. We just locked our stuff in a containment room over there, and we're gonna start riding.
This is one of the thrilling rides in the park. It is a must-go-to. Yes, a very weird transition from ghosts and haunts to playful cartoon colors. Dare you not to smile. We went around some more to collect coins and did minigames in order to enter Bowser Jr.'s castle. In my opinion, the minigames are kind of hilarious, but it is what you must do to enter the castle. For this one, we just had to make the shell pop out of the hole. It may seem like an easy task, but I was seriously freaking out because I did not want to fail in front of all the people lining up, even though they would probably forget me in like 10 seconds.
Okay, we just exited the lower lot, and we're heading towards the studio tour now, right, Max? We're gonna go on the studio tour now. It's been a long time waiting.
The lineup for this place was long, but it was definitely worth the wait. They showed us everything from fake cities, parks, halls, and plazas. They even had a cool theater with King Kong, followed by cool cars, a fake flood, explosions, sharks, and even some random guy chasing us with a knife. Overall, I really enjoyed the tour.
Okay, we're about to watch the Waterworld show. Yeah, we want to get sprayed with water.
The Waterworld show was one of my favorite parts about the park. The effects, acting, and stunts are simply mind-blowing.
We're going to Harry Potter Land now.
I have been waiting years to go to this place, no joke.
We got butter beer. Tastes like root beer floats.
A few moments later.
Zara spilled butterbeer all over her shirt. Okay, take two. We got butterbeer.
We waited in line for the flight of the hippogriff next.
We're waiting to get on here. Ready, Max? Taking our bags off. Here we go again. Wow, look at the castle. So much bigger than the Disney one. It's okay. It's good for like, if you don't like thrill, so yeah. The paintings are actually moving here too, like in Hogwarts. You ready, Matt?
This ride is one of our favorites too. It's not a thriller, but the effects and plot make us love this ride so much.
Okay, that was actually good.
We made our way out and headed to the Transformers ride. Another weird transition. Anyways, we finally got to the Bowser Jr.'s castle because we completed all the minigames, but when we got inside, the game inside the castle shut down, so we headed out.
We're going on the Jurassic Park ride the second time, right, Max? We're out now. You good? Okay, we're gonna find Mom and Dad now.
And that's a wrap for our first day.
Okay, it's day 2. We just entered Universal again, and we're gonna head to Super Nintendo World because when we went there yesterday, Bowser Jr. Castle was not available. Okay. So we're gonna do that first thing.
It's me, Mario!
Max guided me towards the Bowser Jr. castle so that we can complete the game. Hopefully it's open.
We got in. Oh, there's no line. Who were walking through all this?
There were no lines because we were basically the first people there in the morning.
Oh, Max forgot all the power-ups and stuff. Oh well.
I needed both of my hands free in order to do the game, so I was sadly not able to record it.
Okay, so basically we did the boss battle magic, and I got the high score of 42. What did you get, Max? 50. No, Max did not get 50 because I got the high score. Okay, what are you doing next? You want to hunt There's no Daisy merch. No Daisy merch. We're going to the Jurassic World ride again, right, Max? Yeah. You ready?
Sadly, the ride was closed, so we made our way towards the Minions ride. And after the Minions ride, we headed towards the Secret Life of Pets ride. The decorations and the lineups were very quirky and playful. My favorite part of the ride is when our dog selves on the screen would actually be doing what we are doing.
We just finished the thing, the job thing. Yeah. Secret Life of Pets.
And we headed towards the DreamWorks Theater to watch a Kung Fu Panda animation.
We got front row seats. Front. Max.
When the animation finished, we headed towards the Waterworld show again, trying our very best to get the front and center seats so we would for sure get splashed.
Ready, Max? We got to the middle of the stage, so we're gonna get wet. He's filling his bucket up. My bag's there.
As you see, my bag was wrapped in a free gift shop plastic bag, very useful in the splash zone. Max over here was chosen as the lucky kid who gets hosed down during the show.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm gonna put my phone in the bag now.
You're freezing cold, Max? He got sprayed continuously in his chest.
A whole minute.
Like a whole minute, yeah.
For your safety.
How many times have we gone in this ride, the Jurassic World ride? 5.
They were gonna put our hands up the whole time on that drop.
Let's actually do that. Let's try, okay? Max is pretty cool.
Who likes to splash around?
Max got splashed by the Mosasaurus again. He literally just tried off after Waterworld. So Max is wet again, right, Max? Okay, Max is now getting really cold from all that water. Yeah, Max's socks are soaked. Being in the front seat, don't go in the front seat because... Oh.
A few moments later.
Yeah, Max's socks are really soaked and we're gonna head to Super Nintendo World to warm up, right? Okay, let's go.
Max warmed up in the sun-filled land, and after we headed towards Harry Potter Land.
Okay, we're in Harry Potter Land again, and we're gonna ride the flippin'... the one that flips you. I don't know the name. I forgot. It's this name. Yeah, that ride. Okay, so basically, we're gonna go put our bags away and go on the ride again. 966. Okay, Max, what did we get? We got chocolate frogs in Harry Potter Land, so we're gonna eat those and see what we get. Okay, so Max has 1, I have 2. I'm gonna open my 2 and see what cards I've gotten. Daisy Dodderidge and we're entering again, right, Max? Yeah. We were gonna go to the Jurassic Park, but it was shut down. So we'll come back later and see if it's open.
We came here to kill time by collecting more coins for our game. Afterwards, we headed towards the Jurassic World ride.
Max and I have been waiting here for a while, so we're in the very front of the line, but look at that crowd. Look at all these people. Wow. Max, we're in the front. Ready, Max? 6th time? 6th? Yeah.
was here and it rolled back.
Max. What time is it, Max? For how many times we've gone on this ride? 8. It's our 8th time going on. Ready? Blue. You're off. That was off. That was off.
Yawn worthy.
Oh, you're getting good at the shots now. Max used to be really scared. We're gonna try to go again.
Yeah, nice time.
9th time. We're gonna have to line up all again. We're going the 9th time, right, Max? Okay, there's our ship. We're next in line. Hopefully we can squeeze into 10, right? Max is waiting to call on that big splash. We got back. It was closed behind us, but that's okay. We sadly couldn't do our 10th time, but we did 9 times in our whole trip here. All right, let's take a video.
A few moments later.
Have fun, Max.
The end of our Universal Studios trip was coming. We headed towards the exit.
Okay, we're exiting, right, Max? Dude.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow us and watch more of our videos. Hope you enjoyed.